WNBA star Brittney Griner returned to court in Russia today.
It's her first appearance in court since she pleaded guilty to drug charges last week. Griner was seen being escorted into the courtroom earlier this morning. She is facing up to 10 years in prison if convicted. For more, let's bring in William Pomeranz. He is the acting director of the Kennan Institute and is an expert on Russian policy. William, thanks very much for being with us. So Brittney Griner pleaded guilty to the drug charges last week. Explain to us how the Russian court system works. What was the purpose of today's hearing?
Today's hearing is to go over the evidence and to basically confirm that her plea and the evidence supports a guilty verdict. Once they can go through all these procedures, they can have a sentencing, and only after the sentencing will there be the diplomatic negotiations to try to bring Brittney home.
Right. So, William, as you're saying, this means her lawyers will now have the opportunity to argue for leniency, correct, in her sentencing. How long can that negotiation process take?
It can take a while. Her lawyers have suggested that this proceeding would end at the beginning of August. So hopefully that their timetable is realistic. But just because the proceedings end, it most likely will end in a determination of guilty and a severe sentence for Brittney Griner.
Well, as you know, the Biden administration is facing growing calls to bring Brittney Griner home quickly and safely. But the reality of it is that the U.S. doesn't have a good deal of leverage right now. So what steps do you think need to be taken before this can realistically happen? And what more can you tell us about the negotiation process?
Well, the negotiation process basically has not begun, and the Russians have said that they will not be pressured to negotiate. So I think the negotiations are not even commencing, and they will take place over some time before any sort of deal or prisoner swap can be negotiated that would include Brittney Griner. There's also the wild card that other U.S. citizens in detention, in prison in Russia, are also demanding or claiming that they want to be part of any sort of deal as well. And so it will be a very complicated negotiations to get Brittney home, and it will require a negotiation and dialogue that hasn't taken place yet.
All right. Well, of course, that can take a while, and we will all be watching and waiting to see how that evolves. William Pomeranz, thank you so much for your insight. We appreciate it.
My pleasure.